Is moving to Winter Park and living in Winter Park still worth it? Known as one of the most upscale and desirable places to live. But guess what, guys? Orlando's expanding, and so are the choices. So let's find out today if Winter Park is still worth it. One of my top favorite reasons to live in Winter Park is the art and the art festivals. When you walk around the avenue, you're gonna find hidden art shops that have the best, amazing pieces from local artists and national artists, vintage pieces and new pieces. And if you are wanting to take in some of the local history, you're gonna wanna come to the Morse Museum of Art. I am standing right here beside it, and it features some of the most amazing pieces from Louis Comfort Timpani and other great American artists. And you don't want to miss some of the most amazing art festivals. We have the Spring Winter Park Art Festival, the Fall Winter Park Art Festival, and in spring, 3 days of art extravaganza descend upon the town with some of the most amazing artists in the Southeast United States. When I come here, I love to just get my lawn chair, get my blanket, sit in front of the stage, and just camp out listening to amazing jazz artists, eating local food from the food stands, and then wandering around and seeing amazing pieces of art. If you're looking for a night on the town, Winter Park has it upscale and classy. You can do jazz on the park where I'm seeing, you see the main stage behind me. Some of the best jazz artists in the country come to Winter Park. And if you want to do a stroll on the green, it makes a great romantic date night. Some of my favorite places to go with the girls are the wine room and Fiddlers on the Green. One of the top reasons to come to Winter Park is the fine dining, with multiple Michelin spoon rated restaurants like Ava Mediterranean, Prado, and you haven't done brunch unless you have done it at the Briar Patch, which is right behind me. But everybody will tell you we have a tried and true favorite, which is Bosphorus. You have got to do their appetizer with that amazing bread. And if you love gelato, there are multiple places here that you can find some of Orlando's best gelato. It's really hard to beat Winter Park's location. I am standing in the SunRail station. This will take you all the way to North and South Orlando and connects also to the Bright Line, which will take you to Miami. But if you want to hop in your car, you're only 7 minutes from downtown. You are less than 30 minutes to Disney. And some of my most favorite places in terms of culture, like the Orlando Science Center, the Repertory Theater, and the Mills 50 District, which boasts some of the most eclectic restaurants in all of the Orlando area, are less than 7 minutes away. Honestly, guys, nothing beats shopping in Winter Park. Not only do you find the most upscale brands, you also find hidden boutique shops. If you're looking for the best in dresses or garments or jewelry, you're gonna love exploring Winter Park. I love coming to some of these hidden little vestibules. We call them the hidden gardens, and you are gonna just love exploring them. Back in the 1800s, when Oliver Chapman and his partner built and planned one of the first master planned communities, actually the first one in Florida, they did it around something called the Lace of Lakes. We're close to Lake Virginia right over here. And if you really want to get the essence of Winter Park, you want to do the Winter Park boat tour. You'll go through places we call the Venetian canals, and you will get to see the exclusive, gorgeous mansions that sit atop some of the most glittering lakes in all of Orlando. Welcome to Rollins College. This is one of the anchoring points of Winter Park, featuring the #1 MBA program in Florida, according to Forbes magazine. This place is full of cultural events and focal points like symposiums. And if you're thinking about additional schooling for your kids, we've got top private schools like Lake Highland Prep nearby and the Masters Academy. Let's get down to it. Winter Park is known for its custom homes, like this beautiful cottage craftsman behind me, this Mediterranean style home to my right, French country. If you're looking for an amazing original design, you will find it here in Winter Park. And you'll have some of the most amazing neighbors, the who's who of Orlando, like some of the Orlando Magic players. So if you're looking for that exclusive list of Winter Park homes, even some things that are not on the market, reach out to me. So I don't know about you, but I've made up my mind that I think Winter Park is still worth it. This is such a unique hidden gem in Orlando. So if you want to learn more, click below, get my downloadable guide to Winter Park, and reach out to me for your exclusive list of some of the most upscale, beautiful Winter Park homes. Call me or text me at 407-921-1310, or reach out to me all over social media. This place is special, guys, and I would love to help you find your home here.